Now this is my braiding pattern and it is absolutely a mess. I don't know what's going on back here. I don't know. Braiding a pixie into whatever this is. Hard work. So I got hair from one of my favorite companies, Ywigs. They have not disappointed me yet. So we are going to use their hair today. It's my first time doing this style, so I'm excited. It comes with this packet. This is the hair. Look at that. This is like my favorite kind of texture. It is a multi-curly, kinky curly hair. It's a multi-curl. Wow. Never seen this before in my life. Wow. The hair is very soft. Doesn't have a smell. I mean, it has like a regular hair smell. This is it. Child, I don't know how to do this, child. Wow. It's quite beautiful, you know that? Look at that. Okay. Let's do the first one. It's gonna go right here. So. And then I seen the girls do this. And that's it. So this is one pack. I want to be really mindful because I don't want it to be too big, you know? But this is one pack. You see why your braids don't matter? Because you're not going to see your braids. That's why I love crochet. I'm going to start off with another pack now. Alrighty. So this is 2 packs. So I finished my second bundle. This is what it's looking like. Second bundle is finished. Look at this, y'all. I'm so far, I'm in love, and it's very lightweight. I don't have anything on my head. It's very lightweight. All right, let's continue. When I get to like here, I'm gonna come back and start recording so you guys can see, you know, how I install it. Because when I get here, I'm gonna install it a little different. All right, this is where we're at. This is crochet hair. I do not know. I feel like I'm doing good though, because yeah, I feel like I'm doing really good. This is what it's looking like. And I have three pieces left. And then we're gonna go into our 4th bundle. Ugh, I did not want to. All right, we are almost done. And this is the easiest hairstyle you can possibly do. You take your crochet hook, which the company provides, and you just take a piece of the hair, pull your crochet hook through, open up your hook, hook the hair, pull it through, open up that loop, and then pull the hair through, and boom. That's all, folks. It's very simple. Let's do it again. Push your crochet hook through the braid, hook the hair, open up that loop, and then pull the hair through. Boop. Here is where we're going to do something a little different. We're going to pull the crochet through the braid like usual. And then once we open the loop, we're only going to pull through one side of the hair because this is going to give the illusion that there's no braid there and that like the extension is growing out of your scalp. So really easy. I mean, it's extremely easy. Patience and practice will really help you achieve this look, even though this only took me like 2 hours to do. So we're just going to do the same thing and then just pull one side of the hair through the loop instead of both sides. Because as I said before, it's going to give the illusion that this hair is growing from your scalp. And that's all, folks. We are finished. This hair is big and beautiful. It's not too big. I know once I wet it and put a little bit of product in it, I know that it's going to look exactly how, I mean, this has turned out better than I thought it would. It's just beautiful. It is time to style this hair now, and I'm going to saturate the hair with water and add a little bit of that Cantu curling cream to it. Not too much, but not too little either. And then I'm going to brush through it. Make sure you stay to the end to see what it looks like completely wet. It literally looks like it's growing out of my scalp. It is beautiful. All the links to this hair will be in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I will see you all in my next video. Toodles!